Hi there, in this training video, I'll be showing you how to get paid by your customers using the payment page feature. Your payment page is a securely hosted page that you can share with your customers via email, SMS, or link to from your website or invoice template. To use your payment page from your PIN Payments dashboard, click the Account button situated on the bottom left-hand corner. Then select Payment Page under Payment Tools. You'll now be directed to a page which allows you to customize your payment page. The first option is to enter the amount for your customer to pay and provide a description for what the payment is for. In my example, the amount will be $249 and the description will be the invoice number. Once you've entered in the amount and description, your link is ready to be used. When you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll notice a link has been generated for you. You can send this link to a customer via email, text message, or even link it from your website. The link can be used more than once, that is, it's not a one-time use link, and can be sent to any of your customers needing to make a payment for the amount and description you've pre-filled. For now, I'm going to click on the link to show what your customers will see. Once your customers have entered in their card details and make a successful payment, a notification will be sent to them confirming their payment. You will also receive an email notification as soon as your customer has made a successful payment. The charge will now also be visible in the charge section of your dashboard. And there you have it, an overview of the payment page feature. If you have any other questions or queries, you can email the team at support@pinpayments.com.